Hey guys, Brendan Barnes here. Again, I got Tommy Holt Jr., my man's. We're still at Wholesaling Elite Live 2020, and I had to pull him aside, because as you already know, Tommy spoke at REI Live Atlanta in January, absolutely crushed it. Check out the video. And he talked about social sharing, how you're leveraging social media. So my one live question, my one live cue for you today
on the spot,
is
okay.
What is your go-to strategy in 2020 to generate seller leads using your social platforms?
Generate seller leads. Man, there's so many different things that you can do. I think one that stands out to me probably right now is being able to find groups, so you guys can make sure that you take this down, right? Find groups where homeowners are actively in. So there's a certain homeowner groups, like a subdivision, for example. They will have a group there together. They all want to keep their property value up at a certain point, right? They all want to help each other out. And so what I will do is I will get into those groups and I'll provide value to some of those people, and then also direct them to just a really candid, how I did with at your event, with the camera there, and just, hey, this is who I am. I help this homeowner out. I can help you out the same way. You don't want to start with that, right? You want to start with the open hand, allow them to take the open hand, and you draw them in. So go into those little small groups, provide value to those individuals. They'll get to know. Eventually, they'll start to click on who you are, and click on your links and figure out who you are. And then from there, they'll see your videos, they'll see all the things that you're doing in that particular industry. And then next thing you know, they'll be reaching out.
Super dope. As a quick follow-up, is there a specific app that you like? I know people use the Ring app or the Neighbors app. Is that...
So you can absolutely do that. So the Ring app, obviously, it does tell you all the different things that are going in the neighborhood. But really, what I'm using is Facebook, the Facebook marketplace, not marketplace, the Facebook groups.
Yes, right.
Yeah. Sorry, I should say that in front. The Facebook groups are where you're going to go to find these particular individuals. There's so many groups in there. I mean, anywhere in Ninja City you can find something.
Yeah, that's definitely a ninja tactic. So I appreciate it, Tommy. And got to have you back out, man.
I'm looking forward to it, man.
Yeah, all right.